Hi friends, I'm Chef Danielle and I'm here with, what's your name? Gabby. And today we're learning all about the letter Y. Now, what starts with Y, Gabby? What is this?
Popsicle.
No, these are popsicles, but what is this in here?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. So yogurt starts with the letter Y. And how do we do Y in sign language? Like this? Yay! Awesome. So look, now I know you guys like to have yogurt, right? You like to have yogurt in the morning for breakfast? Yeah, and sometimes we have it for dessert or an afternoon snack. But the nice thing about yogurt is you can make popsicles out of it too. And sometimes we make smoothies with yogurt, right? And if you have leftover smoothie, you can put that in a popsicle mold and we can do popsicles. So Gabby, can you help me make some yogurt popsicles? No? You gonna help me? Let's put some berries. So look, we can always start by putting a little bit of berries in our popsicles. You wanna put some in this one?
I'm gonna do the cheek.
Okay. It's okay if it gets a little on the table. There we go. And then do a scoop in this back one.
I'm gonna try to help.
Okay. Yeah, that's great. So why don't we put those down and then we can add a scoop of yogurt and try to put some in there. Yep. And shall we put some more? And here we just want to make sure that it gets all the way to the bottom, right? Let's see. Oh. Oh. If it's a little messy, that's okay. We can clean it up after, right? Okay. Oh, let's put a few more berries in there.
Okay.
Okay?
That can be easy.
Uh-oh. That's okay. Can you put some more berries in this one too? Alrighty. And since we did these ones already, we can just finish these two. Can you put that one in there?
There.
Okay. And can you put a big scoop? How's it taste?
Good.
We got vanilla yogurt for our popsicles. But you can do lemon yogurt or berry yogurt.
Whatever you like.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so then look, we're gonna flatten this out.
Mom, I want to flatten.
Okay. And then can you stick this in the middle? All the way to, yeah, there you go. And then can you stick the other one in?
This one's for me.
Which one? This one? Okay. So now we've got to let them, we've got to freeze them. So they've got to go in the freezer for a few hours so they get hard. So we'll be back when they're frozen. Alrighty, so look, our popsicles are frozen. Do we want to pull them out? You got it? You need a little help? Sometimes you got to run them under a little bit of warm water so that it comes out. Can I help you? Or maybe you should, you want, oh, let me see. Wait. Oh, you did it! You did it! Woo! There's a little bit of raspberry up top. Our yogurt popsicles with berries. Are they yummy?
Mom, can I have a little bowl that has yogurt?
Yeah, we can also have some yogurt as well. So if you want yogurt popsicle and yogurt, and when it's really hot outside, like in the summer, these are perfect, right?
Yep.
You can even have one of these for breakfast, couldn't you? Because it's just yogurt and berries.
That's
Perfect.
even awesome.
That's awesome.
Because these have good things. They have vitamins.
Yes, they have vitamins. How perfect. Okay, friends, until next time, we'll see you for the letter. What's the next letter?
Z.
Yay!